So regular service has been restored by the West Indian cricketers, flattering to deceive again. But you know, say, the Maverick is gonna flip the script on the review of this West Indies performance by positing the conclusion before the analysis. And the conclusion is that this West Indies team is not as good as the hype was telling us. It was more about expectations and hope that had people excited, myself included. The fact of the matter is that this West Indies team is very one-dimensional in how they bat. If swiping to the heavens don't work, they are incapable of executing a plan B. That is how the batting is constructed, and the bowling was never special. So yes, they had a good run of results coming into the tournament, but consistently, over the last 2 or 3 years, the West Indies T20 team has been nothing more than an ordinary work in progress. So maybe we should not feel so bad about the Windies getting eliminated. This was merely a West Indies team that was floating on a bubble of emotional expectations. And guess what? The bubble burst.